Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2009 Honda Shadow Spirit. This is a V-twin 750cc motorcycle with liquid cooling and shaft drive. Very easy bike to maintain and own, super reliable. It'll be waiting there in the garage when you want to go out and take that cruise. Super clean, only 12,112 miles. It's beautiful black satin finish. Nice chrome on the engine and the exhaust. It's got the gunfighter style seat on. Very low seat height, just under 26 inches. It's a great middleweight V-twin bike, cruiser, with a nice 21-inch show bike style wheel on the front. Only $52.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. We have financing available, extended service contract. We have insurance. Come by, check it out, take a test drive. Make your dreams come true with this beautiful Shadow Spirit. Only $52.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. Thank you.